Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what is considered one of the best 0.75-ton ductless mini-split air conditioner units on the market. The OLMO Alpic 9000 BTU mini-split AC and heating system with heat pump. Although it's a smaller capacity unit, it packs powerful features that make it ideal for anyone looking to efficiently cool or heat a room with ease and reliability. The OLMO Alpic mini-split comes equipped with inverter technology, which means it operates with greater energy efficiency compared to traditional compressor units. This inverter system adjusts the compressor speed based on cooling or heating demand, providing a consistent temperature while reducing electricity consumption. It boasts a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, or SEER rating, of 16.5, placing it among efficient mini-splits in its category. One of the standout features of this unit is its dual functionality. It serves both as an air conditioner and a heater with a heat pump system. This makes it perfect for year-round use, handling everything from hot summer days to chilly winter evenings. The heat pump functionality can operate efficiently even at outdoor temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit, offering reliable warmth when you need it most. In terms of design, the system includes both an indoor wall-mounted unit and an outdoor compressor. The indoor unit features whisper technology, ensuring quiet operation that won't disrupt your sleep or work environment. Its sleek build includes an LED display with convenient functions like sleep mode, timer, auto restart, and louver auto swing, allowing you to customize airflow and settings with ease. When it comes to installation, the OLMO Alpic comes pre-charged with refrigerant and includes a comprehensive 16-foot installation kit. This kit provides pre-flared and insulated copper lines, communication wires, drainage extension, and necessary accessories, making it easier for professional HVAC technicians to install without hassle. Note that this is not a DIY product. Professional installation is required for optimal performance and safety. The unit runs on 110/120ths of a volt power supply, suitable for most standard residential outlets in the United States. It delivers a cooling capacity of 9,000 BTU, which roughly translates to 0.75 tons, ideal for spaces like bedrooms, additions, living rooms, or small commercial areas. Its heating capacity matches the cooling power, making it a versatile system that handles both climate needs efficiently. With dimensions of approximately 31 by 14 by 10 inches and a weight of about 93 pounds, this system is compact enough to fit comfortably on your wall while being robust enough to deliver reliable performance. It also comes with certifications such as OL listing and RE certification, providing assurance about its quality and safety standards. Beyond performance, the OLMO Alpic emphasizes quiet operation and energy savings. Thanks to inverter technology and a high SEER rating, users can expect lower electricity bills compared to older, non-inverter models. The unit's remote control offers user-friendly access to its features, enhancing the overall convenience. In summary, the OLMO Alpic 9000 BTU mini-split AC and heating system is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient, and quiet ductless mini-split system with both heating and cooling capabilities, it is especially suitable for rooms or spaces that need precise temperature control throughout the year. Just remember, professional installation is key to ensuring you get the best results from this system. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product insights. See you in the next video.